Hi guys, it's Britt with ShirtSpace. Here to tell you about a new feature that we've added to our site to make your shopping experience a little easier. We've added SMS text messaging to inform you of important updates to your order. This service will send you messages about when your order is shipped so that you don't have to sit there wondering where it is in the shipping process or to look up a tracking number. When you're ready to check out, after you go through the account details, shipping address, and payment info steps and officially place your order, you will come to a confirmation page. In the top right column on this page, you will see an option to sign up and receive order updates via text message. Here you will enter your first name and 10-digit mobile number. Make sure to check the little blue box that says, I would like to receive order updates via SMS, and then click Sign Up. Standard message and data rates may apply, and one thing to note, you do have to re-sign up for this service with every order that you place with ShirtSpace. Now that you know how to take advantage of our SMS feature and receive text updates about your ShirtSpace orders, you'll always stay in the loop. Want more helpful tips like this to make your shopping experience with ShirtSpace easier? Well, check out our full video library, or better yet, click the subscribe button and have a great rest of your day.